All right, here's the kit we're gonna be installing today. This kit came from Coyote Direct. They send you a nice face plate to cover the hole, a nice template, a good bracket to set down in the console, some extra screws to replace these because these have to be flat and set down in the bracket. We gotta do a little bit of cutting, so we're gonna have to pull out the center console. You don't actually have to cut the console itself at all, so that's one good thing. You get to retain the factory style look and all that good stuff. We just gotta cut some stuff out underneath the console itself. So let's get this thing going. We're gonna throw y'all guys in the time lapse. Alright guys, we got the console out the car. Now we're going to remove this little bit of foam. I'm going to end up using this foam over though. I'm going to use it as a good sound barrier once we get done cutting everything out for the shifter to go in place. But we can get started cutting. Alright guys, we got everything cut that we needed to. We can actually put the bracket in the console now. We can actually set the shifter down in the car. Alright guys, we got the M&M Shifter in the car. Now we can go ahead and get everything tightened down and get the console back in and get it looking nice. Alright guys, we got the kit installed, got everything completed. That's pretty much going to do it for this video. As always, I appreciate all the views. Follow along, like, share, subscribe, you know the deal. On the next video, we're going to be pulling out the K member, doing the coilovers all the way around front and rear. Like I said, we're going to get the car back on the road as soon as we can.